Ever wondered what that popping sound really is when you crack your knuckles? Let's look inside your joints. Ever wondered what that popping sound really is when you crack your knuckles? Let's look inside your joints. Between your bones is a slippery liquid called synovial fluid. When you pull or bend a joint, pressure drops suddenly, and tiny gas bubbles form and burst. That's the pop you hear. No, it doesn't cause arthritis. Studies show regular knuckle crackers don't have more joint damage, just a habit. But if you feel pain, swelling, or stiffness, that's not normal cracking. It could be joint strain or inflammation. So the next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles, tell them it's just science in action.